In this video, I'll show you how you can animate your desktop background in both Windows 10 and also Windows 11. And you'll have something that looks like this, a live moving wallpaper. Let's check this out. To get Lively Wallpaper, head to this website. You'll see a link down below in the description. There are many different apps that provide this type of functionality, but I think Lively Wallpaper is the best. It's free, it's open source, and it offers ton of customization. It's also really simple to use. It supports multiple monitors, and it just has all of the features that you would want an app like this to have. On the website, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll find the download section. And here you have two different options. You can get the installer, or you can get it through the Microsoft Store. I would recommend getting it through the Microsoft Store. When you do that, you'll get all of the updates automatically, whereas with the installer, you have to manually check for updates. Once you launch the app, you'll see an experience that looks like this. To apply one of the animated background, you simply click on it. You can also right-click on a background and you can customize it. Here, for example, I could set the saturation, the hue, the brightness, the contrast, the gamma, and the speed as well. Each background offers its own set of customization. Some of the backgrounds even interact with your mouse movement. The default backgrounds are all pretty nice, but you might get tired of them. Up from the top, you can click on the plus icon and you can add even more background. Here, for example, I could drag over a video from YouTube. Up on the right hand corner, we can click into settings. To see more of this functionality, first up under general, you can decide whether or not this app starts with Windows. And below under audio, if your video file has any sounds or audio associated with it, you can decide, do you want to play that audio? And if so, you can decide what the volume should be. Under performance, you can decide when this app should run. So let's say you have an app that is full screen, or maybe you're running on battery power. You can pause this app. Next, you have wallpaper. You can decide how the video should fit. Next, you have system, and this is really awesome feature. You can set your taskbar to appear clear, and there are also a few other options as well. And the last setting from the top under active wallpapers. Down below you have three options. You could select wallpaper to play on one screen, or you could have it span across multiple screens, or you could have the same wallpaper plays on both screens. To access Lively Wallpaper, down in the bottom right hand corner in the system tray, you'll see an icon. When you right click on that, you'll have access to some of the most common controls. So Lively is really cool, but you might be wondering, what is the impact on your system performance? If you open up the task manager, you'll see that it doesn't really use that much of your CPU. It also doesn't consume that much memory. I think Lively does a great job replacing a boring background. If you enjoyed watching, please consider subscribing and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.